Hi everyone, Maria Thurlow with United Country Lifestyle Properties of Maine. Today I'm going to show you a new listing at 1353 Long Ridge Road in Burlington. This is a 1989 single wide mobile home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 15 acres. I'm going to start by showing you the outside of the mobile home. I'm standing on the front lawn here. As you can see behind me, there's beautiful flowers here, lots of nice landscaping. There's a really nice rock wall out here by the road. You can see behind me there's a dug well. There is a drilled well in the backyard as well. I'm now standing out in the backyard. In the backside of the mobile home, you'll find the oil tank. You'll find a covered deck out here, and under the deck you'll see there's a sliding glass door that goes into the dining area and a single door that goes into the laundry area. We'll show you those when we get inside. In the backyard is where you will also find the drilled well. Behind me is where the previous owners used to have a nice garden spot. They used to have a really nice garden back here. And you'll see there's a trail that goes up in the back. The previous owner also used to cut firewood off the property and deliver it to neighbors. I know this because I was a neighbor. So he used to bring over firewood for us, used to bring vegetables. They were wonderful people. There is a trail that goes up there and lots of wood on this property to be cut on the 15 acres. I'm now standing in the garage. There is a 1-bay garage with an additional space over here on the side. Plenty of room to park your car in here. The house will be furnished when it's purchased, although some of the things in this garage will be removed. But it's a nice big space to have a workshop in the back and do whatever you need to in this space. Now that we've seen the outside of the property, let's go inside and take a look around. As you come into the home, you come into the living room. It's a nice big open space. In this area, you'll see there's a ceiling fan. This is a wood fireplace. It hasn't been used in years, but it is in working condition as far as they know. I'm now standing in the kitchen. This has like a 2-level bar area here on the kitchen. It has an eat-in dining place, sliding glass doors to go out to the backyard. And there is a propane stove in this kitchen, but there is no propane hooked up to it. As far as I know, it's working. They just have not hooked propane up since the owners passed away. Off the kitchen right here, if you open up this door, there's a washer and dryer and also a door to go to the backyard. I'm now standing in what would be considered the primary bedroom. There's a big double closet. In this closet is the electric hot water tank in there. Behind the door is a circuit panel, and there's also an attached bath in this room. In this bathroom, you'll find a bathtub that has some jets in it and also a shower and sink and toilet. We're down now at the other end of the mobile home. I'm standing in the smaller of the 3 bedrooms. It's still a good size room. You could put a twin bed in here, use it for a kid's playroom, etc. And it does have a good size closet in here as well. Just down from that small bedroom that I just showed you, you'll find a closet here. You will find a furnace that was just put in a couple of years ago, and you will find the second bathroom. In this bathroom, they have replaced the standard tub shower combo with a walk-in shower. We are down now at the end of the mobile home. This is the 3rd bedroom. Good size room here. It has the windows that jet out for a little extra space. It's got a desk here and a good size closet. And as I said before, everything in this home will stay, will convey. A few things in the garage will not. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell so you can see all of our current listings. Thank you for taking this tour with me today of 1353 Long Ridge Road in Burlington. This is a 15-acre lot, beautifully landscaped, 1989 single-wide trailer. The asking price for this property is $139,000 and the taxes are $969 per year. If you would like more information on this property, you can give me a call at 207-403-3724.